beauties, welcome to my channel Ankita Makeup Studio and Academy. Today I am going to show you a classy reception look which you can try on a bride as well as a glam party makeover. For more updates, stay tuned to my channel. Lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more updates, follow my FB ID and Insta ID, link for which is provided in the description below. Any queries, feel free to DM me there. Let's get started. I have cleansed, toned and moisturized my skin. CTM is very important step for a healthy skin as well as a long-lasting makeup. It also helps to make your makeup flawless. I have used here PSC lens in the shade grey. Now starting off with my brows. I am going to use here the Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette. I am choosing a dark brown shade to fill in my brows without giving any extra harsh dimension. I am doing this just because it gives a more natural finish. Now to shape out my brows, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade medium. With the help of a pulley, I am distributing the product all over evenly.
मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरे जैसा कोई है तो है तू, फिर ना जाने दिल मेरा क्यों तुझको ना दे सकूं.
Using the same concealer, I am creating an eyeshadow base to start off with my eye makeup. Now I am taking a brownish shade from my iMagic palette, and with the help of any blending brush, I am blending the color all over my crease. For a precise blending, pull up your brows and start blending. It gives a great depth to your eyes. Remember, blending is the only key for a good eye makeup. Now taking a light orange shade, I am blending out all the harsh edges. Using the same concealer, I am applying a base over my eyelid. And then I am looking up. The point above the lid where the concealer gets deposited is the line for your cut crease. This is really an amazing hack for all the beginners who have problem in doing a cut crease. Dab the concealer all over the eyes. Blend out the outer corner to intensify the look. Now take the lightest shade in the flat brush. Dab the brush over the cut crease. I am using a glitter glue and Color Cosmetics loose glitter. First I will apply the glitter glue and with the help of a small blending brush, I shall take the loose glitter and tap over my lids or the cut crease area.
जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग
Completing off with my Maybelline gel liner.
हवा में होके मलंग, मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना।
Now wipe off the falling glitters from your under eye area. Now moving to the face makeup. I am using the MAC Prep Plus Prime spray and wait it to dry. For primer, I am using here Krylon Ultra Base. I will take a small quantity and apply on my T-zone area. From there, I will start spreading it in an outward direction. Primer is very important as it acts as an intermediate layer between the skin and your makeup. As you can see, I have many dark spots and acne spots on my skin. Now to cover them up, I am going to use a peach corrector. The peach corrector is from Krylon Supra Colors. Blend it out properly. For base, I am using Krylon Derma Range in shade D64. I am going to use my finger for application. Now my first blending is with fingers and then using a stippling brush. I didn't conceal my under eye. In case of bridal, don't forget to conceal it with a lighter shade. Set the base using any compact powder. Now next for soft bronzing, I am using Hola bronzer from Benefit. Now using a large fluffy brush, I am bronzing my face to provide dimensions and depth. Don't forget to contour your nose. After this, I have applied a thick kajal in my waterline. For blush, I am using iMagic Blush Palette. First, I will deposit the color on the apple of my cheeks. Then we'll blend further. Set the whole makeup with a fixing spray. Now comes the final part and the most favorite one, highlighting. For this, I am using here the Forever 52 Spotlight Highlighter Palette. Also, I am highlighting my inner corner and brow bones. Finishing off with the lipstick. The shade will be provided in the description below. First, I am using a pencil above which I am applying a liquid lipstick to make it more long lasting. It's a new shade of Nykaa and Maybelline. For all product details, check out the description once. Lastly, I am completing the look with the Maybelline mascara and false lashes. Here's the complete look for you. Do comment and let me know if you find the tutorial useful. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
As good as the day I met you, I forget just why I left you. I was insane.
Stay and play that Blink-182 song that we beat to death in Tucson. Okay.
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no call. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Bite that tattoo on your shoulder.
कैसी
Pull the
तेरी
sheets
कलर
right off the
से
corner.